teaching guys how to duck call properly. And I know a lot of you guys are capable of doing it. Let me know in the comments if I can improve on anything. But I'm here to teach you guys today how to duck call. Alright, so we're here. I got my Buck Gardner Mallard Hammer duck call. Now this is a double reed duck call. Double reed. It's got 2 reeds. Alright? I suggest getting these duck calls. These duck calls are awesome. Buck Gardner makes some great cheap calls. So, frame, you can add a little. That's the quack. Without the, it sounds like this. So I add some rasp. So on different days you can use different tones, which is fine. But for today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do it with the Now, that's what the quack sounds like. I kind of say into the call. Like that. I say in the call, I want to do the comeback call. Pretty much simply all you gotta do is say 5 times to 7 times, 5 to 7 notes. So it's something like this in the back of the call. Just like that. Now, that's the comeback call. It's pretty easy. You just. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please smash that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Like button's right down in here somewhere.